Hey everyone, welcome to Homelabbing. So in the series, we're going to learn about Homelabbing, which is another terminology for deploying applications on our own hardware. The hardware could be a laptop, PC, NAS, or a server. But wait, you might be wondering, why would anyone do that? So, while cloud services like AWS and Google Cloud are great and easy to use, they can get expensive real fast, especially if you're just learning, working on side projects, or honestly just messing around. So instead of renting from these cloud providers, we're going to build our own servers from scratch. And the best part, it's completely free. Now, this series is actually for anyone who wants to understand how servers work. Yes, even those of you who don't code. But instead of writing code, we'll be spending most of our time in terminal typing terminal commands. Nothing too advanced or crazy. By the end of the series, we'll have our own server running on our own machine. We also have the ability to access that server from anywhere, deploy applications, and publish them to the internet. And finally, we'll have a clear understanding of when it's worth paying for cloud service versus running our own servers. Now, before we begin, this series is structured into two parts. The first part is going to be about theories, concepts, and the economics of servers. We'll also be talking about why this matters, especially in the current situation where there are a lot of physical cyber attacks due to the Iran war. Second part is where we get our hands dirty. We'll build our own server, deploy applications, and make it accessible from the internet secure. Now, if you're the type who just wants to jump straight into building, feel free to skim through the first part. But trust me, the context in the first part will make everything else click. Alright, enough talking. Let's get started.